You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names from Latin, scientific names as well. Stay tuned. Pectus Carinatum. That's the Latin pronunciation. In English, it's said as Pectus Carinatum. Pectus Carinatum. More videos for you here to learn more names, medical terms, and anatomy words. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.